This is the culmination of everything we've been studying for. Well, that just makes it sound super important. But guess what? Because it is. This is the entire purpose of any engagement. It's the end result. These opinions, all what we've been working for. The client is just paying for this. They're paying for this one opinion, right? Obviously, it's a whole report, and there's a lot of procedures in order to get there, but this is it. Whether it's, right, if we're talking about tax engagements, what's the end result? It could be a complete set of financial statements if you're preparing them for someone, tax return if it's a tax engagement, a report if we're dealing with an agreed upon procedure, or in the case of an audit, that's an opinion. So these opinions are the end result. Obviously, I've got another lesson which is going to talk about other end results in addition to opinions, but obviously this is the audit exam, and as such, we're going to talk about audit opinions in much more detail. This is the final deliverable and the culmination of all the lessons we've covered up until this point, except for the ones after this, but don't tell anyone. These engagement results, if they provide a level of insurance, will only provide reasonable assurance or limited assurance. No type of engagement provides absolute assurance. That's a common trick. This would put too much liability on the auditor, and as the auditor, I don't want that level of responsibility. It's enough taking care of a cat. Like, why do I have to have the responsibility for an audit opinion? Absolute assurance? That's too much, way too much. What are the objectives of the auditor? These are per the AICPA from their authoritative literature. Your objectives are to form an opinion and then express it clearly. Okay, I'll talk about the rest. But pretty much that's it. Form an opinion based on evaluation of audit evidence, including evidence about comparative financial statements or comparative information. Obviously, included in this is doing the actual testing and everything from planning and testing, and then express that clearly through a written report. Sounds easy enough. I don't know, so why don't we all do it? A lot of work, I'll tell you that.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.